Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about something very important for anyone preparing for international English exams.
You mean exams like IELTS, PTE, GRE, or GMAT?
Exactly. Many students prepare for these exams, but they feel confused, stressed, and sometimes lost.
Yes, because these exams feel very difficult.
That's true, but today I want to simplify everything for you. The biggest mistake students make is thinking that they need very advanced English to succeed.
Isn't that true, though?
Not completely. You don't need complicated English. You need clear, structured, and confident English.
That sounds more practical.
Yes, let's start with a simple truth. These exams don't test how many words you know. They test how well you can communicate.
So communication is more important than vocabulary.
Exactly. If you can express your ideas clearly, you can score well.
Then why do students focus so much on difficult vocabulary?
Because they think big words mean high scores, but using big words incorrectly actually reduces your score.
That's interesting.
Let me give you an example. Instead of saying something complicated, you can say simple and clear sentences like, I think this is important because it affects our daily life.
That's easy to understand.
Exactly. Clarity is power in these exams.
What about speaking tests?
In speaking tests, examiners look at fluency, pronunciation, and confidence.
So grammar is not everything?
No. Grammar is important, but fluency and confidence matter more.
So how can students improve speaking for exams?
Start with simple sentence patterns. For example, I believe that. In my opinion, I think this is because.
These sound natural.
Yes, and they help you speak without stopping.
What about writing?
In writing, structure is very important. You need clear paragraphs, simple ideas, and logical flow.
So we don't need complex sentences.
Not always. Simple sentences with correct structure are better than complex sentences with mistakes.
That reduces pressure.
Exactly. Now let's talk about the biggest problem, fear.
Yes, exam fear is very real.
Students feel pressure to perform perfectly, and that creates stress.
So how can we reduce that fear?
By practicing regularly and accepting mistakes.
Even in exam preparation?
Yes, mistakes during practice help you improve before the exam.
That's a good mindset.
Now, let me give you a simple daily routine.
That would be helpful.
Morning, speak for 5 minutes on any topic. Afternoon, listen to English audio. Evening, practice writing or reading. Night, speak again for 5 minutes.
That's a complete system.
Yes, and consistency is the key.
What about mock tests?
Very important. Mock tests help you understand exam format and timing.
So practice under real conditions.
Exactly. Time yourself and stay disciplined.
That builds confidence.
Yes, confidence comes from preparation, not luck.
What is the biggest tip you would give?
Keep your English simple, clear, and natural.
Not complicated?
No, simple English with confidence always wins.
That's powerful.
Also, don't compare yourself with others.
Focus on your own progress.
Exactly. Everyone improves at their own pace.
That reduces pressure.
Yes. Now, remember this. These exams are not testing perfection. They are testing communication.
So we should focus on expressing ideas clearly.
Yes. Speak clearly, write simply, listen actively, and read smartly.
That's a complete strategy.
And most importantly, practice daily.
Even small practice matters?
Yes, even 10 minutes daily can create big improvement.
That's motivating.
Finally, don't wait for perfect English. Start with what you know.
And improve step by step.
Exactly. Stay consistent, stay confident, and you will succeed.
Thank you for this amazing guidance.
Thank you for listening. Keep practicing, believe in yourself, and we will see you in the next episode.